How to create a QR code for a Google form. If you want to create a QR code that redirects users to your Google form, this video will show you how to do it for free. First, open Google Forms and select the form that you want to share. Make sure your form is completely set up and ready to receive responses. Next, click on the link icon in the top right corner. Enable the shorten URL option and copy the generated link. Now, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Choose Custom Size and enter 1080 by 1080 pixels to create a square canvas. Once the editor opens, click on Apps and search for QR code. Select the QR code app, paste your Google Form link, and click Save. You can resize and position the QR code however you'd like on your design. After that, click Share, then Download, and save it as a PNG file. You can now scan the QR code using your phone's camera, and it will automatically open your Google form. That's how you can create a QR code for a Google form. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.